They say sons are just like their fathers. Is that the little man starting to do the snoring? Dun dun dun. Listen.